Yo, it's your boy Art
Marcos.
So I'm trying to keep it real with you guys. Alright. Keep it real. For those girls that think they're like the shit, nigga, like they can pull any nigga they want.
With makeup.
The hair done. Alright. Real spit, you can have any guy you want. Just keep it simple. That's all we ask. Keep it simple. T's hair is not popping. Not popping. When you put on too much makeup, when you can see that fucking pink and shit right here, like right on your cheek, I'm not with it.
Somebody fucking smacked you.
It looks like someone just took the makeup and just went, hit you with this shit. Come on. And when I go in for a hug, I don't expect half of your face to be on my shoulder though, like all right here and shit. Like, ah shit, there goes so and so's face on my shoulder. Come on.
What happened to lipstick on that shirt, nigga?
What happened to, you feel me? Like that's what's up.
Yeah, real shit.
Like nigga, like come on.
Bitches.
Keep it simple. Guys don't like when you do the fucking hair all done up. Like straighten your hair, it's cute. Curl that shit's cute. Keep it real spit. Simple is the best way to go with the guy. Simple breakfast, simple clothing, simple attitude. That's all it is.
Bitches with J's, they be doing it.
I'm just saying, keep it simple. Don't try to do too much. When you do too much, guys just be like, this bitch is doing too much. Fuck the bitch. I know you guys don't like me calling y'all bitches and shit, but real
Every
spit.
dog needs their bitch.
I'm just saying, a guy's gonna call you bitch if you ain't with it. Keep it real. Alright? Nigga, what do you have to say?
Don't wear too much makeup, bitch.
Don't wear too much makeup. You heard the
When you're
nigga.
putting on your makeup, think about it.
Blend this shit. Blend this shit in. Alright? I'm not no female. I don't put no makeup on.
But we're a guy, we judge you, nigga.
Man, shit, we be looking. Like, come on. So you already know what's up. Blend the shit in, make it look pretty. Don't make that shit look noticeable. If you're trying to get noticed, do what it is. Try to look like a clown then. Might as well paint your face white and shit.
Right.
I'm just saying, man, if you're trying to get into the circus, trying to get like a fucking position and shit, you get hired, nigga. But just keep it simple. Blend the shit in. Go to the Mac store. Fuck, if you have to use that Avon shit, whatever, nigga, do it. Do what you do. That's Sephora, nigga. Alright? Do what it do. Just keep it real. Alright, so just keep it simple. Don't do too much. Word of advice. Not shout outs today, but just keep it simple, alright?